What's going on, my friends? Today, we're gonna learn how to care for, clean, maintain, and protect leather seats with DURASLIC LeatherCoat Max. This is a unique product because it is both a cleaner and protectant in one bottle, and I love that. That just makes our lives easier, right? Let's just clean it once, protect it, and be done with it. This is a 32-ounce bottle, and one of the things that I love about companies that they're doing now, they're doing these heat seals, so you can rest assured that your product won't be leaking all over the box. It has a double seal, so you'll take this heat seal off. Ah, yeah. So this product doesn't have much of a smell. I would like a little bit of a leather smell in there. Let's go ahead and show you how easy this really is. Along with our product, we have the Nexus Dual Scrub Pro. This has the little magic fingers that work really well on leather or any of the textured materials on the interior of the car. It's an awesome little scrubber. On the back, it has microfiber. And then we have some microfiber towels to wipe off any of the excess product. So let's start here on the door. All right, we're gonna spray it out, and you can see it's a thicker formula here. It's almost like a gel. And we're just gonna spread that onto our Nexus cleaning pad here. And we're going to scrub the areas that we want to clean and condition. You can see a little bit does go a long way. You can see how thick it is. We'll come back, wipe all that excess off. Look at all the dirt that just came off of there. So it didn't look that dirty, but whoo-wee, all those oils, greases, extra dead skin from your arm that just sits on there. It builds up. If you ever have leather or a surface that is shiny, that's usually all the oils and skin that is built up on that surface. That is the exact opposite of what you want. You want a nice, like matte satin look to any type of leather like that, so. It's gonna leave that nice natural finish. It should not be glossy or shiny or anything like that. Clean the seat here. So just a little bit, it doesn't take much. Is a little bit goes a very, very long, long way. When I'm cleaning leather seats, I kind of imagine it's like lotion on your hands, right? You really kind of want to work that in and let it sit there for a while. Let it soak in, let it penetrate the leather, or if you're doing lotion, let it penetrate into your skin and let it sit there. So I like to just take my time and scrub it in, clean it. You can let it sit there for a minute or two if you'd like to. You can kind of see it's shiny right there. Oh, look at how dirty that was. And then after a minute or two, simply just wipe off that excess. Looks great. I'll do another shot from the other side. So these seats don't appear to be that bad, but I want to do a side-by-side so you can actually see the difference of what happens when we clean it. Just feels so much softer and nicer too. I mean, this feels like a rock over here, and this is nice and soft. Oh, it's awesome. I guess I have to clean the rest of the seat now. DURASLIC has a secondary product that goes along with their LeatherCoat Max, so cleaner, protectant, all in one. The Vinyl Coat Max is not really a cleaner, it's more of just a protectant meant for any vinyls or plastics within the car. So it's great for the dashboard. The dashboard gets a lot of UV, and in the later years, it can start to fade, it can start to dry out, it can actually start to crack. So by protecting it with a product like this, you're going to extend the life of all of those different surfaces. So this product is a water-based product. It's a little thinner than the Leather Max product that we were using, but same concept when we're using it. I'm actually just gonna flip over to the microfiber side of my pad here and spray a couple sprays, and I'll wipe it on the dash. You can see that's much thinner. More of a protectant than a cleaner. It'll clean a little bit if, like this dash is not that dirty, it's just a little bit dusty. But if it is dirty, make sure you clean it and get all of those oils or dirt or whatever's in the surface off. But this, we're just gonna wipe it right on there. We put a nice even coat on the dash there. Again, I like to let it sit there for 30 seconds to a minute, just kind of absorb, but you definitely don't want to let it just sit there. You want to wipe off that excess with a microfiber towel. So just come back with a microfiber towel, wipe all that excess off. This will help make it nice and even as well. You don't want any streaks, and definitely don't want it to look glossy, especially with the window right there. So you'll see the after shot here. So that is nice, protected. It leaves a natural matte finish and works fantastic. All right, both of these products are available in the description below. Click on the link, shop at Car Supplies Warehouse. Woo! I swear that never happens. All right, thanks for watching. See you later.